Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today we're working on Yard Machines by MTD. This one here is a 42-inch rider. This is a 2016 model. This is kind of a common problem on these. Turn the steering wheel and the wheels don't turn. So we're going to go and take the steering shaft out and put a new bushing in on the bottom. So hope you enjoy the Okay, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to pop the steering wheel off. You just pop this cap off. And there's a 1/2-inch bolt in there. And sometimes water gets in there and it kind of sticks the plastic handle on the shaft. If that happens, you take the bolt out and just spray some lubricant in there. There, pop that off. Okay, the next thing we have to do, take the break the strap off and move the gas tank. And just cut it with a pair of wire cutters. Okay, we're going to have to undo the fuel line because the fuel line goes in the center of that bracket down here. So I'm just going to take it off at the fuel filter over here. If you have some gas in the tank, it's probably going to leak a little bit, so kind of take it out as fast as you can. Lay it on its side, then unhook the vent tube off the top of the tank. Now we're going to go ahead and take this bracket out here. Okay, now we're going to take out that gas tank bracket. These are torque screws on this one. There's 2 on each side. Get that out of the way. Now we need to put a pair of vice grips on the shaft. And the reason we're going to do that is because we have to turn a screw out on the bottom. That will prevent it from turning. So now we can go ahead and jack it up. I'm going to take that front bracket off the deck to lower the deck. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a jack stand down here so the deck don't go too far down. Go ahead and take the belt off the pulley. Set that down so that's out of our way. Then we can get to our bolts. Okay, here's our Phillips screw head right here. Sometimes they're really stuck on, or they put like a glue on them from a factory. Okay, once you break it loose with the impact, screw it out, and that's what the vice grip is on the shaft for, so it don't turn while you do this. And there you go. There you go, and pop the shaft out. Okay, we gotta take one more bracket out. I thought I could get the screws out with that right there, but we're just gonna go ahead and pop this bracket off here. got them two out. We gotta take The two out on the other side. And just kind of maneuver it around. Okay, here's the old one. See, we're chewing up on them teeth right there. If it would have kept on going some more, it would have ruined that half moon gear thing on the lawnmower. But here's the bushing. That's what goes out on them. But there's really no way to lubricate it. And here's a new one. You can tell the difference. So when we put this back together with the new shaft, we're gonna dab a little bit of grease on here when we put this in. So it goes in like that, and there's like a hexagon shape in the frame that bushing sits in. So we're just gonna dab a little bit of grease on that. We'll put it in there, hopefully that'll make it last longer. So our next step will be to put it back together again. Okay, we got the steering shaft put in there. Here's our new bushing. We're gonna put a little bit of grease on there. Then on the bottom of this bushing, it's like a hexagon that fits in that slot. And there we go. Now we're gonna have steering now. So now we're gonna go and raise it back up and put that bolt in the bottom of the steering. But before we do that, we need to put the vice grip back on so it don't turn on us. And just put it on the opposite side this time. Now we can go ahead and jack it up and work on the bottom now. Okay, now we can put our screw back in the shaft until we get it started. Where you put that vice grip on, hold it down so that bushing don't pop out of that slot. Okay, now we're gonna use our impact here and tap it a few times, make sure it's on there nice and tight. Got that done. Now we can go and lower it back down, put the gas tank and everything back in there, and put the steering wheel back on. Go and put our deck belt back on. There we go. Okay, now we can install our plate for our gas tank. And this little notch right here, that goes towards the steering shaft. grab our new zip strap here. Got our new strap. Let's get it laid in there like that. Then I'll grab our tank. The fuel line will go and there we go. Now we hook up our fuel line, then put our vent tube on the top of the tank. Okay, now we'll grab our steering wheel. We're just gonna set it on here for now. And just roll it back and forth till it's lined up straight. Pop it back off on this bottom part here. Put in there like that. Put our bolt back in there. Put our cap back on. And there we go. Okay, we got the steering wheel back on and everything. Now look at that. Just like brand new again. Anyways, I hope this video will help you. It's not really that hard, just takes some time and everything. Anyways, appreciate you watching the video and thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Anyways, you have a good day. Bye.